Civic has always been, since its first introduction in 1972, delivering a wow feeling to people all over the world. In this role, the universal value of Civic is nimble driving, easy handling, great value for money, and harmony with the environment. While maintaining its social significance, Civic embodies Honda's human-centered approach to the creation of an automobile. I felt this essence of Honda's approach, especially with the third-generation Wonder Civic. It was the frame structure which enabled a glassy cabin with a very expansive and pleasant feel, as well as a body with a sporty look.
I believe that this all-new Civic is a car standing right on the threshold of a new era. While studying successive generations of Civic, we started seeing the Honda MM DNA. This included a glassy cabin that creates an open feeling to avoid a cooped-up feeling, even with a low vehicle height, and a low and wide body that is low and flat and emphasizes the presence of the tires. By setting exhilarating exterior as our styling concept for the new Civic, we strive for a human-centered exterior design, which will offer an exhilarating experience for those who will look at or ride in this vehicle. An easy-to-drive cabin that also makes occupants feel free and relaxed with a low and clean beltline. Low horizontal character lines that extend through the body without disruption to create a linear profile of the sedan. These factors help make the body look thinner and the tires appear bigger to evoke an image of stability and an outstanding driving experience that comes from this solid footing.
The interior design theme is what we call fine morning interior. There's data showing that our customers in North America spend approximately 45 minutes every morning to commute to work. We want to make that 45 minutes in the morning more enjoyable by providing a cozy space. And such passion started to rise. To realize the fine morning interior, we created designs from 3 different perspectives. First was cleanliness, which generates a fresh feeling. We express this with clean surfacing and inobtrusive frame structure. Second was rhythm. That enables the customer to perform tasks smoothly. By thoroughly examining the ease of use and HMI layout and controlling the user experience and eye movements, we aimed for a design which enables everyone to use it naturally, even the first time. Third was comfort, stimulation for the user's 5 senses. We paid particular attention to feedback from the customer's user experience, such as the tactile impression and click feeling of all the switches. And we refined surface treatments and shapes so that they link tightly to the feelings of the customer.
Through the development of this 11th generation car, we strived anew for a car which will be loved for many years to come. To this end, we focused on the simple expression of the unique characteristics of this vehicle. These were the words of a journalist at the introduction of the first generation Civic. The journalist described the first generation Civic as a breath of fresh air. A breath of fresh air, which is a simple thing but makes people feel refreshed. This phrase reminded me that, from the first generation, we have been delivering such a car to our customers around the world. That was when I felt a desire to make this 11th generation Civic a car like a breath of fresh air, which is what Honda has been passing on from the first generation Civic. Through this new Civic, we will deliver smiles and an exhilarating feeling to our customers.